Sixth sum, 2x raised to 4 minus 5x square plus 3 is equals to 0. Here let x square is equals to y. So we get 2y square minus 5y plus 3 is equals to 0. 2 3s are 6. Divide into two number such that addition is minus 5. Minus 2 minus 3. 2y square minus 2y minus 3y plus 3 is equals to 0. In this first two terms, 2y is common. Y minus 1 is remaining. In last two terms, minus 3 is common. Y minus 1 is equals to 0. 2y minus 3, y minus 1 is equals to 0. 2y minus 3 is 0 or y minus 1 is 0. 2y is equals to 3 or y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 3 upon 2 or y is equals to 1. Substitute the value of y. X square is equals to 3 upon 2 or x square is equals to 1. X is equals to plus or minus root of 3 by 2 or x is equals to plus or minus root 1. Seventh sum, x raised to 4 minus 2x square minus 3 is equals to 0. Same way, let x square is equals to y. We get y square minus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. Instead of minus 2, we will write minus 3 plus 1 y. So we get y square minus 3y plus y minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, in first two terms, y is common. Y minus 3. Here plus 1 is common. Y minus 3 is equals to 0. Y minus 3 is common. Into y minus 1 is equals to 0. Y minus 3 is 0 or y plus 1 is 0. Y is equals to 3 or y is equals to minus 1. Substitute the value of y, that is x square is equals to 3 or x square is equals to minus 1. X is equals to plus or minus root of minus is not possible, so reject. X square is equals to 3, so x is equals to plus or minus root 3. Eighth sum, 9 into x square plus 1 by x square, 9 minus 9 x plus 1 by x minus 52 is equals to 0. So here let x plus 1 by x is equals to y. So when you square both the sides, we will get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equals to y square. Okay. Therefore, x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to y square minus 2. Here we will substitute y square minus 2. Here y and we will write. So we get 9 into y square minus 2 minus 9y minus 52 is equals to 0. Open the bracket. 9y square minus 18 minus 9y minus 52 is equals to 0. Okay. 9y square minus 9 minus 18 minus 52 is minus 70 is equals to 0. 9 and minus into minus 17, find the factors such that the addition is minus 9, that is minus 30 plus 21. So instead of minus 9y, we will write minus 30y plus 21y minus 70 is equals to 0. Pair first two terms and last two terms. In these two terms, 3y is common. What is remaining? 3y minus 10. In this, 7 is common. 3y minus 10 is equals to 0. In these two terms, 3y minus 10 is common. 3y into 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. 3y minus 10 is 0 or 3y plus 7 is 0. 3y is equals to 10 or 3y is equals to minus 7. Y is equals to 10 upon 3 or y is equals to minus 7 upon 3. Now substitute the value of y. So x plus 1 upon x is equals to 10 upon 3, or x plus 1 by x is equals to minus 7 upon 3. And now in this, multiply all the sides by 3x. Here also multiply all the sides by 3x. We will get 3x square plus 3 is equals to 10x, or 3x square plus 3 is equals to minus 7x. Transfer it to the left hand side. We will get 3x square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0, or 3x square plus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. Three x square, instead of minus 10, we will write 3 3s are plus 9. So addition will be minus 9x minus 1x plus 3 is equals to 0. Pair first two terms, last two terms. In this, 3x is common, x minus 3 minus 1 is common, x minus 3 equals to 0. In these two terms, x minus 3 is common, remains 3x minus 1 equals to 0. X is equals to 3, or 3x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1 upon 3. Okay, for this equation, A is equals to 3, B is 7, C is 3. Write the formula and substitute. So minus B is 7, plus or minus root of 7 square 49, minus 4AC is 4 into 3 into 3, that is minus 36. 49 minus 36 is root 13. So x is equals to minus 7 plus or minus root 13 upon 6. Ninth sum, 2 into x square plus 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 upon x is equals to 11. Let x plus 1 upon x is equals to y. Squaring on both the sides, we will get x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 is equals to y square. Therefore, x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to y square minus 2. Now we will substitute the value in the above equation. We will get 2 into y square minus 2 minus y is equals to 11. Open the bracket. 2y square minus 4 minus y minus 11 is equals to 0. 2y square minus y minus 4 minus 11 is minus 15 equals to 0. 2 into minus 15 is minus 30. That is minus 6 plus 5y, and addition is minus 1, multiplication is minus 13. 2y square minus 6y plus 5y minus 15 is equals to 0. In these two terms, 2y is common, so 2y, y minus 3. Here 5 is common, y minus 3 equals to 0. In this two term, y minus 3 is common, y minus 3 into 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. Y minus 3 equals to 0, or 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Y equals to 3, or 2y is equals to minus 5. Y is equals to minus 5 by 2. Now substitute the value of y. X plus 1 by x is equals to 3, or x plus 1 by x is equals to minus 5 upon 2. Multiply by x on all the sides. We will get x square minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. A is equals to 1, B is minus 3, C is 1. Write the formula and substitute. That is equals to minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus root of b square is 9 minus 4ac, that is 4 upon 2. Root 9 minus 4 is root 5. So x is equals to plus or minus root 5 upon 2, or Here multiply by 2x on all the sides. We will get 2x square plus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. 2 2s are 4. That is 2x square plus 4x plus 1x plus 2 is equals to 0. Here 2x is common, x plus 2, 1 is common, x plus 2 equals to 0. X plus 2 into 2x plus 1 equals to 0. X plus 2 is 0 or 2x plus 1 is 0. X is equals to minus 2 or x is equals to minus 1 upon 2. 10th sum, x square plus 1 upon x square minus 3 into x minus 1 upon x minus 2 is equals to 0. Same way, let x minus 1 by x is equals to y. Therefore, 1 upon x square plus x square is equals to y square minus 2. Taking the square root of this, here it will be minus 2. When you transport, it will become plus 2. Substitute the value in the above equation. We will get y square plus 2 minus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0. Open the bracket, y square plus 2 minus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0. Plus 2 minus 2, 0. So what is remaining? Y square minus 3y is equals to 0. In this, y is common. So y into y minus 3 equals to 0. Y equals to 0 or y minus 3 equals to 0. Now substitute the value of x, that is y, that is x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x is 0 or x minus 1 by x equals to 3. Multiply by x on all the sides. We will get x square minus 1 equals to 0 or x square minus 1 equals to 3x. This equation, x square minus 1 square, that is x minus 1, x plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 1 or x is equals to minus 1. Here, x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. A is 1, B is minus 3, C is minus 1. Write the formula and substitute. That is equals to plus 3 plus or minus root of b square is 9 minus 4ac minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 4, that is plus 4 upon 2. That 9 plus 4 is root 13. Therefore, x is equals to 3 plus or minus root 13 upon 3.